Looks like I got a few parcels today. So join me while I open them. My guess is it's a couple of well, everything's probably from AliExpress based on those gray packages. But let's open the bubble mailer first. Oh, okay. So RCA connectors. Those are for some cables that I'm working on. I'm waiting for those so I can complete that project. So nothing to do with watches, but still happy to get those. And let's see here. Aha. That looks like a watch box. Big surprise. What do we have here? Pagani design, Japan NH35, blah, 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 blah. Well, let's see what this actually is. Oh, it's the, oh yeah, it's the Aquaterra homage that actually someone asked me about, if what my opinion was, and if I could do a review, etc. But I didn't have one, so this popped up in my AliExpress feed, and the price is good, so I jumped on it. And I'm going to compare it to the Corjou and the Felida that I've got in my collections as well. I think that'll be an interesting comparison. And lastly, what is this? What do we have here? It's oh, the TVs. This was, oh God, I don't know. Actually, I do know why I bought this. I was just poking around, and against my better judgment, you know, that's always the risk that we take when we browse. Someone once told me that browsing always leads to buying, because you'll see something that you want and you go, what the hell? And that's exactly what happened here. I was browsing, and this caught my eye, and I thought, you know, I've spent more on a bad burger. I like my burgers. I've spent more on a bad burger, so how bad can this be? And I searched on YouTube for a few videos, and there weren't really any, so I thought, well, I can either buy a burger and hate it, or I can buy a watch and contribute to the community and offer some information about a brand that doesn't really get much exposure. So okay, I'll give them kudos on wrapping the crap out of it. But it's also it's experiences like this can kind of make you appreciate the trouble that these guys go to with their packaging, because this is just a simple, cheap printed box. Protected it in transit. Oh God! Oh look, it's a VIP card. Wow. Card holder signature. Dear customer, thank you for your support and trust in our brand. 12-month warranty period. And of course, let's see how good that is. Unsigned polishing cloth. But this is why I got this. Okay, so because it's on a strap, there's no fiddly plastic to deal with. But we do have this bag. And this is why I got it, because it has, well, it's got a wannabe tourbillon, but it's an automatic movement, and it's got a moon phase. I'm going to see if it actually changes with the time of day. I'll do a review on this. Display case back. You know, it's nice. It'll be nice for a wear, and in fact, I think I'll probably put it on my wrist for the rest of the day and just enjoy it. Anyway, there you go. A fool and his money are soon parted, as the saying goes. But hey, what's the point of doing all this if we don't have some fun? Thanks for tuning in.